This is my Narwal T10 robot. Vacuum and mopping robot. Yep. So, I need to wake it up. Wake it up. Wake up. Good. It's in there now. Yep, good. So you short press this
Exiting
button.
home. Please keep the space clear.
You short press this button to exit the home, the base station. Yeah. And this is a lid. This button, if you press and hold for 2 seconds, it's the on off button. If you press and hold for 2 seconds, you can turn on. This. Oh wait, I'm told. Press this. This button is over here. So press and hold for 2 seconds to end current task, and short press to pause or resume. And this is the reset button. Then press both buttons for 2 seconds to reset the Wi-Fi. This is the dustbin. Yep. And the filter there. Wait. Yep. And this is inside it, nothing. Okay, and this, you see, is the hook cutter. This is the, yeah, I told you, the dustbin. Yep, and that's really all it is inside. Good. Oh yeah. And underneath there's the vacuum model and the wheels and the cliff sensors, but it's hard to show. And I guess, yep, I think this is the loudspeaker, and this is the place where the air comes out. You know. And then that's the fan place. Later. Oh. Yeah. That's the robot. And that's the collision bumper. So, yeah. Some wall sensors, the holes, and the vacuum module is installed. You can see right here. Yeah, you can see it right there. Okay, and then short press this button again to recall.
Returning home. The robot is in the base station.
And this button is a short press to pause or resume, or short press to start a new task. So if you want to vacuum, then install the vacuuming model, and then you need to do the map first. You need to do the map first. So you still need to install the vacuum model, and then long press this button to create a map. So you install the vacuuming model, and then long press it, and then you'll come out and start mapping. And this button is short press to pause, resume, or start a task, and long press to end current task. So vacuum, I talked about a vacuuming. So if you want to mop, don't forget. Oops. Don't forget to fill the clean water tank with clean water. Yep. And the wastewater tank is empty now, but if you do mopping, then you can. Then there will be less clean water and then more wastewater. And then after mopping, take out the wastewater tank and then just pour away all the wastewater and then wash it. Yep. Yeah. Well, that's all in the base station and the robot. But the things in here, there's still more. So let's wait. I mean, let's start talking about it. Okay, this is the things that you will get. And this place, it's empty because it's supposed to put the vacuum model, but it's in there. And then, it's kind of, these are the mopping ones, and these are the spare ones, and these are the spare vacuuming brushes. And then these are the spare filters, water filters for the clean water tank. This is the magnetic strip. So, if you don't want the robot to go somewhere, just put the magnetic strip there, like put it around the place that you don't want your robot to go, and then the robot won't go there. Oh. Ah, filter. Good. That's all. Yeah, that's all really I need to tell you guys. Okay, so yep, that's some things. Yes. So yeah, never mind. Okay, today's video is here, and then sorry. And today's video is here, and then please subscribe and click like, and please subscribe, please. Bye. Oh wait, there's one last thing I'm going to tell. If the channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I can maybe do a face reveal. True. So keep subscribing.